So welcome to Jimmy James Garage. I'm on the floor, got the car jacked up. We're working on the 56 wagon here. Gonna ask, why are you on the floor? Well, I don't have a car lift, so I gotta make what do. So you go to your local Harbor Freight or Amazon, get a moving blanket, put it on the ground, keeps you off the cold ground. It works pretty well like that. These are gonna be some tips and tricks you can use that work really well, keep you moving, you know, especially as you get old like me. So that's how you do it right there, okay? But I'm gonna show you a couple of neat tricks now. You ready? You wanna get up? You grab yourself a milk crate. Milk crates are very stable. So you grab the milk crate, get yourself one of these. It's a pad for like yard work, under your knee. Both hands up. You're gonna grab your magnet, because you always have to have your bag in case you drop it, and then it's straight up. And then, ta-da, you're up. You're up, you wanna get back down? Take your magnet, lay it down, hands on the milk crate, down, and then under the car. Pretty simple. Easy peasy. And watch one more time. See, nice and padded, everything's padded, straight up. Seems kind of dumb, but when you get older and you don't wanna lay on the ground so much, that's how you do it, and you can do it up and down because you never know when you need a 10 millimeter. But I'm gonna show you, I told you to wait to the very end, which is coming up right now, why we have the magnet. So follow me over here. Car's jacked up, on jack stands, looking good. I got it jacked up, I'm ready to start removing all the stuff. You notice I left my pad over there because I don't need my pad. I got my magnet. I hooked the magnet to my jack stand, and out it comes. Just that simple. So again, this is some neat tricks that my dad actually taught me, and he's 82 years old. So don't tell anybody he's 82 because he works around like he's 32. But these are some of the things that'll keep you working a long time. The other reason the car is on jack stands is because I have a dimmer switch I have to change. That'll be in the next video. So keep ahead, keep looking forward for the next video, and we'll show you why we have to have it on jack stands to change the dimmer switch for the headlights. Crazy. Have a good one.